Pick a color, red or black?
Black.
Okay. Because it's color 6, because no color.
Oh!
Applause.
Oh shit! I think it's so tight.
This is literally the best city that I've ever been in Central America. I just want to learn Spanish.
Talking pico de gallo. Getting sleepy? Yeah.
Llegó en 2018. The big eruption is in June this year. In November this year, the president.
Jesse's bag just had a big fall, but hopefully it's okay. Luckily we actually saw it and it's not like, where the fuck is Jesse's bag?
Yo, Michael, where's your bag?
We're falling behind. We're falling behind.
He's going the pack.
It's been 15 minutes and we're falling behind.
Whoa, he's taking water.
It's getting a little spooky if you look over there.
Oh shit. So cloudy.
Keep pushing. Oh my gosh, that is steep. Keep pushing, guys. I think we're at the top here. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
Vamos. Come
Easy
on.
peasy. A little rest before the, hike to field goal.
Field goal.
Field goal.
Fuego.
Hiking our way down. 30 minutes down. And then 1 hour up. All right, guys. Let's keep going up. Let's keep going up. I feel like I could get blown away at any second. Oh my god, that's it. That's epic. Oh, dude, that's sure. Okay. Last trace of sunlight receding into the background. And that's the west, all the way over there. Alright. Everyone feeling good? Harry? Is that Michael or is that Harry? I don't know if you can tell, but it's really hard to see. And the wind is blowing like crazy. Like I said before, you take a couple steps to right or a couple steps to left, and you go tumbling. So stay dead center. Single file then.
It's up and then down. Hey, do you know if there's spa services at free services?
What is what?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you get that side?
I don't, but brush it. Can you take one more step back? I know.
Let's go. Come on, boys. Last push. Last push. Last push. Come on, Ari. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Okay. Well, it was just.
I should really need that break. I was about to throw the fuck up.